Hey friends, today we are going to be learning about the letter K. Do you know what sound the letter K makes? That's right, K. What things begin with the letter K? Have a look around you. I am going to draw one thing that starts with the letter K. Maybe you can draw something that starts with the letter K at home. Let's draw. Keys. K is for keys. Now it's time to paint. Blue. Red. Orange. Yellow. Purple. K. K. K is for keys. Wow, look at these keys. They're so colourful. I have a blue key, a pink key, and a yellow key. Let's just put them right over there. And look, I have some real keys as well. Wow, they are so shiny. The keys are shiny. Wow, there are so many different shapes and sizes. So shiny. Oh look, I have a short key, and a long key. Well, thanks for watching. See you again soon.